All right, viewers, now we have some more breaking news coming in. According to the Baloch Liberation Army, its fighters eliminated 3 occupational forces of foreign troops of Pakistan in Gwadar. All right, viewers, we have some more breaking news. Coming in. Before that, the SDRF personnel are preparing for a mock drill at the Dal Lake. Now, this comes in the wake of a recent incident that happened in the Dal Lake where 2 boats capsized, resulting in the tragic loss of 1 life. So that is the latest piece of breaking news that is coming in amid rising tensions along the line of control. The state disaster relief personnel are preparing for a mock drill, and yes, those are the visuals on your screen that is coming in from the Dal Lake. And I'd like to go across to my colleague Zeenat, who's joining me from the spot. Zeenat, of course, we got those visuals of the SDRF teams preparing for a mock drill, and this comes in the wake of an accident that happened there last week that resulted in the death of 1 personnel. Tell us more. Tell us what's happening around you.
See, I'm reporting from the Dal Lake, and the SDRF team is conducting the mock drill. This comes just after 2 days when the boat got capsized in Dal Lake and resulting into the loss of 1 personnel. And since then, yesterday also the mock drill was conducted by the SDRF teams that are deployed here at the Dal Lake. You see the boats and the kind of oxygen cylinders and other things that have been put in place to conduct the mock drills and to see that the people, if they face such kind of any such accident or the incident takes place here on the Dal Lake, how the evacuation process, how the rescue can be done, how the life can be saved. So these are the drills that are being conducted by the SDRF, although MHA has already ordered for the mock drill across for all the states on 7th. So we will be expecting more such drills will take place tomorrow. But as of now, this is also seen a preparedness that is coming in the wake of MHA order, where the states have been asked to conduct mock drills. So right now we are reporting from the Dal Lake, where the visuals are that we are beaming on screen is from the Dal Lake here, Srinagar, and you see the drill being conducted, and this is by the participating agency here is SDRF, the tourists being informed, and the normal activities are continuing under strict watch. The purpose is enhanced coordination, test response time, and secure a high footfall area. The security grid also remains alert around the Dal Lake, and safety and the normalcy go hand in hand here. Yes, this is a Dal Lake visual where the SDRF teams are conducting the mock drill. This is coming in the wake of an incident that has taken place here when the boat capsized and resulting in...
Zeenat, I'm sorry to have to cut you there in between, but I have to go back to my colleague Gopi, who's joining me from outside the Ministry of Home Affairs. Gopi, tell us the latest that you're picking up. Has the meeting begun? Do you see top officials arriving at the spot? Do tell us what's happening around you.